Welcome Power to Weight athletes. Workout number 2, week number 2 of our 20-week training plan. Follow along, let's have some fun. As always, remember, these workouts are great, but they have to include a proper diet. Anyway, let's get going. Alright, let's get started here. We're going to go high knees and arm circles. Just follow along. I'm going to go for about 40 repetitions. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we're going straight into our pseudo jumping jacks. So we're going to go 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, up, 6, up, 7, up, 8, up, 9, up, and halfway done. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we're going to do something called a goblet squat. So if you have a dumbbell, grab a dumbbell. If you don't have a dumbbell, you can pretty much grab anything else. You can squeeze between your chest right here, alright? So knees spread out wide, and we're going to go for 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have a book, grab a book. 7, 8. Try to keep your back as straight as possible. 9, and 10. And 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9. Last one, and 10. Alright, that was our first session. Take a 1-minute break and see you guys in a minute. We're going to go through the entire thing one more time. Alright, our minute has gone by. We're going back to high knees and arm circles, so let's get going. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and forward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Last set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And straight into our pseudo jumping jacks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, into a goblet squat. Grab a weight, grab a book, grab a can of soup, doesn't matter. Ready? Let's go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5 and 6, keep it up, 7, keep it up, 8, 9, and 10. 10 more. Let's count down. 1, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. All right. Another 1 minute break, and then we'll be right back for some ball push-ups. All right, guys, 20 wall push-ups. Remember, keep your elbows in as much as you can. If you take a break at any time. Let's go for 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If you can do this, stay a little farther away. Make it a little more difficult. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, nice and controlled, and 10. All right, nice job. Now we're going to do a lunge and a curl. We're going to go to 5 per leg, I believe, to start off with. All right, so we're going to lunge backwards. 1 and 1. Let's do 10. 2 and 2. 3 and 3. 4. Go down as far as you can. This is fine, but if you have to just take a step back, it's also okay. 6 and 6, 7 and 7. Here's the easier version. 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, and 10. All right, this is the old pickup and put it back on the shelf. So you guys know what to do if you follow the other workouts. Pick it up, put it on the shelf. 1, 10 on a side. 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Go on the other side. I'm going to grab the other dumbbell here. And let's continue. 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 5. Work with me. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. From here we're going to squat to shoulder press. All right. Let's go for pedal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one, and 10. All right, 1 minute break. Come Alright guys, welcome back. Back to our wall push-ups. 20 repetitions, let's not waste any time. Let's get moving, ready? Let's go. 1, 2, follow along. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and halfway. Let's count down. 10, 9, count with me. 8, 7, 6, 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, and that was the last one. All right, we're going to lunge and curl, 10 per leg. If you don't have weights and so you don't have anything to curl, I just want you to squeeze your hands, squeeze your arms. So once you go, ready? 1 and squeeze, 2 and squeeze, 1 and squeeze. Squeeze those biceps. There you go. This is 3, and this is 3. This is 4. This is 4. If you can do a full lunge, 5 and 5. That's perfect. If you can just do this, 6. That's also well. 6. Or somewhere halfway. 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. 2 more. 1 and 2. All right. We're going to pick up and put back on the shelf exercise. We'll pick this up. Ready? Not wasting any time. Like spread and let's go pick it up. 1. And if you can only go here, that's 2. And if you can go here, and that's 3. And we can alternate. And that's 4. And a deep 1. And that's 5. And a shallow 6. And a deep 7. And a shallow 8. And a deep 9. And a shallow 10. Throw this guy down, switch sides. 1 and 1. 2 and 4. 5 and 6. If you want to go all the way down on all of them, 7, 8. We can finish up right here. 9 and 10. All right. Going straight to squat to press. Pick up your weights. And let's go. 1, if you don't have a weight, that's all right. Squeeze those shoulders on the way up if you don't have a weight. 3, 4, 5, 5 more. 4 more. Let's go. 3, 2, and last 1. And 1. All right, 1 minute break, guys. We'll be back for our 2-minute walk to finish up the workout. All right, and we're back. We'll be walking for 2 minutes, starting in about 5 seconds, all right? Keep up with me, keep up with me. Let's get going. All right, let's march. 2 minutes. Come on. March. March it out, guys, march it out. This is a good workout today. It's gonna be a little more intense, a little more fun, a little more of a sweat. I'm gonna be marching for 2 minutes, so as I said in the beginning of this video, your diet is really important. These workouts are great, they'll keep you motivated, but the bottom line is you have to eat well. So don't put too much pressure on yourself right away, just like with these workouts, but slowly progress towards a better, healthier lifestyle. So just eat a little bit less of the bad stuff. That's all. That's all I ask. A little bit less of the bad stuff. What you're doing here is a little more good of the Good stuff. And then we're going to do a little bit more, and you're going to do a little bit less. And it's all going to balance out. And by the end of the 20 weeks, you're going to be a completely different person. You're going to have more energy, you're going to feel better, you're just going to be happier probably. But before that, we still have another 50 seconds of walking, so let's keep it up, guys. And as always, I have to remind you, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy these workouts. These will continue for 20 weeks. So after this workout, we have 18 more weeks left. Yes, it's a long process. Yes, it takes time. Yes, it takes work. But we can get it done. We have another 30 seconds of marching. So march it out, march it out. The heart rate doesn't have to come down yet. Not for another 20 seconds. When it's done, then you can slow down, shake it out on your own, let the heart rate come down, and you can go clean up and take a shower. But we have 10 more seconds, so let's pick it up. 10 seconds, march it out, guys. March it out. Don't try jogging, just march. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now we can shake it out. Woo! Thanks for joining me again one more time at Power to 8. Remember, workouts come out Mondays and Thursday every week, especially for the next 18 weeks. Don't forget to join, and don't forget to have fun. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for joining me.